How to fix failed to check for updates error in Genshin Impact. To fix failed to check for updates error in Genshin Impact, you may try, 1. Restart the Genshin Impact client. 2. Get every update, installed. 3. Check if some Genshin Impact server ran into issue. 4. For Windows players only, run the Genshin Impact application directly. 5. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Genshin Impact.